we have the opinion, the offices of the opinion that the file be marked as closed. The file be closed at this stage. Which Your Honor would wish to have this letter form part of court record? As the investigations are now complete and recommendations are contained in the respective police files that have been forwarded to the office of the ODPP.
Having considered the application orally yesterday by learned counsel for the applicant, for the respondent rather, Mr. Mbeca, assisted by Ms. Ungwenyi, and having further considered the response made today by Mr. Musioka, learned prosecution counsel, who has filed a report via the letter dated 30th of October 2023, and further having considered the record in its entirety, I hereby proceed to discharge the respondent, Ezekiel Odero, and discharge in respect of the respondents the orders made on the 2nd of May 2023 and the subsequent ones made on the 4th of May 2023. The cash bail of 1.5 million that was released, that was deposited rather, to be released to the depositor, and this file is now closed.
I don't think this was about Ezekiel. This was about the church and the future. Tusingesimama imara, wale ambao wanatutegemea kwa ajili ya imani yao kesho wangevunjika moyo.
Na Uikaine kaunti ya Ciake ni moritio